So if YouTube has stopped saving the videos you are watching or your watch history is showing as paused, then there are few settings you need to check. So first, open YouTube app on your device. Now before going to any fix, make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account, and if you are using YouTube while signed out as a guest or in incognito mode, then your watch history won't be saved. So make sure you are logged in with your account. After this, you need to check your watch history is enabled on your account. So just click on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on settings icon at top right corner. Now within this section, find manage all history option and click on it. Now within the YouTube history page, click on controls option and make sure your YouTube history is enabled. If you see turn on option right here, then click on it. Now click on turn on option at the bottom, then click on got it option and make sure you have selected include the YouTube videos that you watch. After changing these settings, just try to watch any video, and after that click on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen, and within this section, if you click on history, you will see all the videos that you have recently watched. Now if the YouTube history setting is already enabled but your history is still not appearing, then just close and reopen YouTube app, or you can also check for latest update for YouTube. Just open App Store or Play Store on your device, then search for YouTube. Now click on YouTube app name, and if any update is available, then update it right now. After updating, reopen the app and start watching videos. Now if the problem still continues, then just uninstall the YouTube app and install it again. So that's it. I hope this guide helped you. Thanks for watching.